Hello, my name is Harrison Hidalgo, and I worked with Chris Chan to make the perfect shot backboard. Here's a list of our components. Our process was to start by running 3 background programs using threads. These programs were the IMU creator to collect IMU data, the interface creator to let the user see what's going on, and the camera transmitter, which is capturing images using a PyCam 1. We started by initializing our GPIO pins, interrupts, and variables, and we started a while loop. We collected our data, then we processed the data using a sigma point filter. We then sent the states and covariances to the user interface, and then we moved into states. We had 5 states: reset, collect measurements, find position to move to, move backboard to that position, and then pause until hit. Tracking was a big part of this project. We used OpenCV to locate the ball. To do this, we blurred out the background, so then we just had the ball remaining. And then using that, we were able to calculate the position and velocity of the ball. We loaded these measurements into an sigma point filter, an EKF when we were testing. And by using that, we were able to figure out where the ball was and mitigate any errors due to process noise and sensor noise. In practice, though, we ran into some issues. Our major limiting factor was we were taking one camera angle. So we were trying to figure out a ball's position in 3D space using a 2D image. It was pretty difficult and it was giving us crazy covariances. It was not reliable enough for our filters, and the backboard wasn't even having enough time to strike the correct position once fed data because the code was just taking too long. And finally, we had limitations due to range of motion and tolerances from manufacturer. Because of this, we made the better shot backboard. Now, Chris will take it away with that.
Right here, I will give you a tour of our system. So we have the Raspberry Pi and the Pi camera. And then we have 3 stepper motors connected to linkages that control the backboard. So once we start our main program, the Raspberry Pi will put several programs in the background, and it will start the initiation step, which is to make contact with the baseboard using the limit switch. When the ball is in sight, the Raspberry Pi will be able to track its position and move the backboard relative to the position of the ball.